In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to put words behind a video on CapCut. First of all, drag and import the video onto your timeline like this. Then we wanna go to the text section from here and then add a text layer on your timeline like this. And then you can increase the duration of your text like you want behind your video and place it where you want it behind your video. So I want it here, and then I want to customize this text. So for that I need to select my text first, and then on the top right panel I can type whatever I want to type here. So let's say I want to type here subscribe, so I can just type that right here. And now to increase the size of it, I can just drag the corners handles like this and then choose the color of your choice. So let's go with this red color, and then you can choose your font as well. Now what we need to do is we just need to duplicate this video track and place it over your text layer, something like this. And then we wanna cut out this video. So for that we need to select the top video layer and then go to the top right panel, and here we need to go to the remove background section and check mark this option of auto removal. And what it will do is it will create a cutout of this moving person so that our text will be visible behind this video layer. So we just have to wait a bit until this processing is done. Now it's done. I can preview my video here. You can see the text will appear behind this video footage, and if you want to place your text somewhere else, then you can do that now, and then the text will be behind that part of your video. Now let's say you want to place the text behind different kind of footage. Like you can see here, I want to place the text behind this Eiffel Tower. Then the method is slightly different. So in that case we need to again add our video footage on our timeline. Again go to the text section and grab a text on your timeline like this. Then we need to customize our text here. So I want to name it Eiffel. So let's just type it here, and now I want to increase the size of it. Now to place this behind this moving subject, we need to again duplicate our video track by holding Alt key on our keyboard. Now again we need to select our video footage from here, go to the top right corner, and here we need to go to the remove background section again, and instead of auto removal tool we need to select custom removal option this time. And then from here select this brush, which is smart brush, and draw on your subject. So this is the subject in my case. I just need to draw on it, and then CapCut will automatically select your subject and it will start the processing. So again we have to wait a bit. In case you do some mistakes here, then you can use this smart eraser to erase the stuff. I won't recommend these other tools here because these are not that perfect. That's why I'm using here smart brush. You can also increase the size and all of that stuff from here. And once the processing is complete, we have to click on apply, and there you go, our text has been placed behind our video footage. If I play my video here, you can see the text has been perfectly placed. Now if I take this text layer and put it at the start of my video and play the video here, and you can see the text is still perfectly aligned with the moving object, and that's how you can put a text behind video. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.